Something is stuck in my throat. I can't talk right. It feels so tight. Mom! Mom! Come quick! It's Max! Something is wrong! Please hurry, Mom! Look at my dinosaurs. I am their owner. I have the coolest collection in the world. My doll is having a tea party. Max, can I play dinosaurs with you? Maybe, if you follow my rules. What rules? Rule 1, don't touch my biggest dinosaur. Rule 2, I am always the leader. That's not very fair, Max. Life isn't always fair, Ellie.
Don't put toys in your mouth, okay?
I know, Mom. I know already.
I mean it, Max. Be careful.
You heard, Mom. No toys in your mouth. I'm not a baby, Ellie. I know the rules. I'm just telling you what Mom said. Okay. Let's keep playing now. My hands are full. I can't carry them all. One more dinosaur. Where do I put you? I know. I'll hold you in my mouth. I am so smart. Nobody is as clever as me. Watch this, Max. I can be sneaky too. Uh-oh. It went down wrong. It's stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Max, are you okay? Max, your face looks funny. I feel something there. Ellie? Something's wrong. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. Don't tell Mom, Ellie, please. Mom! Mom! Come here fast! Something happened to Max. Hurry, please!
Max? What happened, sweetie?
I don't know.
Did you swallow something? Tell me, honey.
No, Mom. Nothing.
Please, Max. Tell me what happened. Okay. Drink some water, slowly now.
It's still there, Mom.
Try to clear your throat for me.
It didn't work. Max, did you? No. Stop asking, Ellie. Okay. Sorry. You know something, don't you? I don't want to talk about it.
Here, try this soft banana. Eat slowly.
It's hard to swallow, Mom.
Chew it well. Take your time, sweetie.
It's still stuck, Mom. My throat feels tight and scratchy now.
One more small sip, honey.
It's not helping, Mom.
Max, did you swallow a toy piece?
No. I didn't swallow anything, Mom. Max, please tell Mom the truth. I'm scared. She will be mad. She won't be mad. Just tell her. No. I can't say it.
What's going on here?
Max says something is stuck in his throat.
Okay. Let's stay calm, everyone. We are going to see Dr. Kind now.
Do I have to go, Dad?
Yes, son. The doctor can help you.
Get your shoes, Max. We're leaving now.
My throat really hurts.
Breathe slowly, honey.
We are almost at the doctor's office.
It's okay, Max. I'm here. I'm scared, Ellie. Just breathe slowly. Dr. Kind will help you. Are we close yet, Dad?
Almost there, buddy. Just relax. Almost there. Stay calm.
You are being so brave, Max.
I should have told them.
Here we are. Everybody out, please.
Sit here, honey. Try to relax.
I'll stay right beside you, Max. It's gonna be okay, Mac.
The doctor will see us soon.
Almost done, just one moment.
I want this to stop.
Hello, Max. Don't worry, I am here to help. Can you open your mouth wide for me?
Like this, Dr. Kind?
Perfect. Now let me take a look. Hold still for 1 second. Do you see anything, doctor?
Yes, I see something.
What is it, doctor?
There we go. Got it. A tiny dinosaur toy piece. A dinosaur piece? Max?
So that's what was stuck.
It was the dino piece all along. I'm sorry. I put it in my mouth. I swallowed it by accident. I was scared to tell you. I didn't want you to be mad.
Max, toys are not for your mouth. Small pieces can get stuck like this. It can be very dangerous for your body. Always keep small toys away from your mouth. I'm glad you can still breathe well. You are safe now. That's the important part. I was so worried, Max.
I'm sorry, Mom. I should have listened. I promise I won't put toys in my mouth again. And I promise to always tell the truth.
That's very brave, Max. Telling the truth is always the right choice.
We are just happy, and you are safe now.
Ellie, you were very smart today. You called for help right away. Good job.
I just wanted to help my brother.
You are a wonderful little sister.
Okay, family. New rule time. Rule 1. Never put small toys in your mouth. Rule 2. Always tell Mom and Dad the truth.
Those are 2 very important rules.
I understand, Dad. I will remember. Me too. I will remember the rules.
Let's go home, everyone.
My throat feels better now.
That's because you told the truth, son.
Thank you for helping me, Ellie. That's what sisters are for.
Home sweet home, everyone.
I'm hungry. Can we eat soon?
Yes.
That's a great sign, Max.
Remember, kids, toys are for playing.
And always tell the truth at home.